County, southwestern Wake County, eastern Chatham County, southwestern Durham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Trarborough to 11 miles southeast of Pittsburgh to near Deptford, moving
Is it a
50
blizzard?
miles per hour.
Oh.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Sanford, Pittsburgh, Garner.
I couldn't believe how much I spent at Lowe's. I'm like looking, I'm like, getting
International
any meat.
For your protection,
Vanilla extract's like
your
12
room on the
bucks
lowest
for
floor of a building.
the pure stuff.
If on or near Jordan Lake
All
or
low.
Ellis Lake, get away from the water and move indoors for
What else
inside
did I
the
buy?
vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent
Something else in
thunderstorm.
there.
If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: North Carolina,